I'm going to show you how to convert a decimal to a percent. So let's say we have the decimal 0.4. So what I tell my students is we're going to use the method DP. The D stands for the decimal, and the P stands for the percent. So since we're converting from decimal to a percent, you always are going to start at the decimal, and you're going to move it 2 places to the right and add a percent sign. So in this example for 0.4, you start at the decimal and you move it 2 places to the right. Then you add your percent sign. The only difference here is there's this empty spot here, and that's where you put a 0. So for 0.4, our percent becomes 40%. Let's do another example, and let's say we have the decimal 1.5. So to convert this decimal to a percent, you do the same process. You start at the decimal and you move it 2 places to the right. You add your percent. But we need to add something to this empty spot, so we add a 0. So 1.5 becomes 150%. Now let's say we have the decimal 0.01. We need to convert this decimal to a percent, so you do the same thing. Start at your decimal and you move 2 places to the right and add a percent sign. In all these examples, we're moving 2 places to the right, adding a percent sign, and then we're getting rid of our decimal. So our percent becomes 1%. One more example. Let's say we have this decimal, 0 and 001, so 0 and 1,000th. So we're going to convert this decimal to a percent as well. You start at the decimal and you move 2 places to the right. Here, you put your decimal here and you add your percent to the back. Because our decimal ends in front of a number, you have to add your decimal there and the percent at the end. So our percent becomes 0.1%. And that is how you convert a decimal to a percent.